So welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. Okay. So before understanding manual testing or automation testing, you should know what is the meaning of test case. So test case is a document which is going to have the sequences steps for testing the application. Like if you want to check the login functionality, what you will do, you will enter the username, you will enter the password, and you will click on the login button. So, and after clicking on the login button, you will try to check whether the home page came or not. If it is correct ID and correct password, then the home page should come. And if it is incorrect password, then error message should come. So these are the steps mentioned in the test case for checking the login functionality. After following these steps, you will try to check whether expected behavior is achieved or not. Okay. So this test case is written in advance while the developer is doing the coding. And after doing coding, you will be receiving the application for testing purpose. And as soon as you will receive the application for testing purpose, then what you will do, you will follow these steps on an application. And this process of following the steps on application is called as what? Test execution in testing world. Okay. So what is test execution? Following steps mentioned in test case on AUT. AUT is application under test. Like if you are checking Facebook, then application will be your Facebook. So your AUT or SUT will be the Facebook. Okay. So test execution can be done in two ways, manually or using automation tool. Okay. Now, what could be the manual testing then? If human being is following the steps mentioned in a test case on application, then it will be called as what? Manual testing. Okay. So if human being enters the username, if human being enters the password and click on login button, then that will be called as what? I can say the manual testing. So what is a manual testing? If a human does test execution manually, does test execution manually by himself only without taking support of any tool. Okay. So what is automation testing? If some tool is following the steps mentioned in a test case on behalf of you. Okay. That tool is going to enter the username, enter password, and clicking on the login button automatically. So that will be called as what? Automation testing. And that tool is nothing but another software only. In automation testing, a software is checking another software. That is the thing. Okay. So what is automation testing? If a tool or the tool is nothing but the software only does test execution automatically. So that tool will enter username, password, and click on login button automatically. You will just monitor. That's all. Okay. So that will be called as what? Automation testing. So we have seen what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. These are not types of testing. These are types of test execution. Okay. So test execution type can be manual or it can be with the help of some tool. Okay. And if the tool support you are taking, then it will be called as what? Automation testing. Thank you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.